Good morning, class 9. Welcome back to our online session. I hope you got the syllabus which I posted on the group. You must have understood it very well. What is the syllabus specifically for term 1? What is for term 2? Two chapters have been eliminated from the entire syllabus of grade 9 mathematics, Euclids and area related to parallelograms and triangles. These two chapters have been deleted from the syllabus. बाकी syllabus term 1 और term 2 distribute कर दिया है. In case you have any query, any doubt, see children, do not get confused about everything. Everything has clearly been mentioned in that circular which I had posted. Yet if you have doubt, feel free to ask, feel free to clarify your doubts. Don't get confused by some XYZ rumors that spread here and there. Okay, जो आपको specific बता दिया गया कि 40 marks का टेस्ट प्लस 10 मार्क्स इंटरनल असेसमेंट 50, ये टर्म 1. द सेम विल बी इन टर्म 2. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट अबाउट दिस, फील फ्री टू आस्क टू योर टीचर्स. वी आर हियर टू गाइड यू, वी आर हियर टू हेल्प यू. ओके, सो नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट ए न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ आवर टर्म 1. देखो हमने कुछ चैप्टर्स अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में टर्म 2 के भी कवर कर लिए. एनीवेज नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ वी विल कंप्लीट व्हाटएवर आवर rationalized chapter of syllabus of term 1 is there. Okay, so in that, linear equations in two variables, this is the chapter that we will start today. Okay, let us first understand the terminology of this particular chapter. Okay, linear equation. See, the word linear is derived from the word line. It is related to a line, straight line. Okay, linear derived from the word line. What is the general form of a linear equation in two variables? I have two variables x and y. So the general form, the general equation or general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b and c are any random constants. So this is the general form of a linear equation, right? You have two variables, one is x, one is y. According to your ease, you can express any one of the variables in terms of another. जैसे इस equation को I can write it as by equal to minus ax minus c and y equal to minus ax minus c whole upon b. Okay, आप इस फॉर्म में इसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं इजीली. और यू कैन डू वन थिंग, द सेम इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज ax इक्वल टू माइनस by माइनस c एंड x इक्वल टू माइनस by माइनस c अपॉन a. इस फॉर्म में भी आप लिख सकते हैं. सो यू कैन बेसिकली एक्सप्रेस y इन टर्म्स ऑफ x और एक्सप्लिसिटली x इन टर्म्स ऑफ y. तो यहाँ क्या होगा, सपोज I can assume a certain value for x, and if I substitute that value of x, I will get the corresponding value for y. So y becomes the dependent variable and x becomes the independent variable. Independently you can assume, you can assign any value to x, and y depends upon x. Whatever you have assumed for x, on that you will get the value of y. And here what is happening, y is independent. You can assign some value to y. On substituting that value, you will get the corresponding value of x. So x is the dependent variable and y is the independent variable. It is up to you how you express. You can clearly take y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Why do we do that? Simple. There is a reason behind it. Since it is a straight line, right? And we have studied coordinate geometry in the Cartesian plane. If you have a straight line, in terms of point, if I have to define line, how can I say a line is the set of, all the points. There are infinite points on this line. Agreed children, there are infinite points on this line. Every point can be expressed in terms of coordinates, abscissa ordinate x comma y, right? For a value of x, you will have a unique value of y here, or for any value of y, you will have a unique value of x here. So you can have many values x1, y1 or some other point x2, y2, x3, y3 up to xn, yn. Infinite number of points are there on this particular line. So I can define this line as it is a set of all the points that satisfy the given linear equation. It is the set of all the points that satisfy any given linear equation. A point has to satisfy that particular linear equation. Satisfy means the values of x and y should be such that the equation is justified. It is balanced, right? So you can have infinite points. Each point is called a solution of this line. Each point is called a solution of this line. This is the geometrical interpretation of a linear equation. Any linear equation can be expressed as a straight line in the Cartesian plane. Okay. So this was the geometrical interpretation. Every point that lies on this line is a solution to the given linear equation. Let us understand the same concept by the help of an example. Say I have a linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Right, children? I can do one thing. I will take the same thing. I can write it as 2x equal to 3y minus 6 and x equal to 3y minus 6 whole upon 2. Or I can do one thing. Maybe some of you may think I don't want to express x in terms of y, I will take y in terms of x. Okay, no problem. Take this minus 3y here. 3y equal to 2x plus 6 and y equal to 2x plus 6 whole upon 3. Okay. Now let us take ordered pairs, values of x and y which satisfy this particular condition. Suppose here I take y as minus 2. Substitute y equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6 is minus 12 divided by 2 minus 6. The value of x is minus 6. Say I take y equal to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. The corresponding value of x is minus 3. What if I take x equal to y equal to 2? 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 upon 2, 0. I take y equal to 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 upon 2 is 3. Let us see if the same pairs satisfy this condition. Here y is expressed in terms of x. What if I take x equal to minus 6? Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. Minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6 divided by 3, minus 2. If I take x equal to minus 3, minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. 0 upon 3, 0. What if I take x equal to 0? 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. I take x equal to 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Right? So no matter whether you express x in terms of y or y in terms of x, ordered pairs will be same. So these are the points minus 6 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma 0, 0 comma 2, 3 comma 4. These points lie on this particular line. Not only these points, there are infinite such points which lie on this particular line. So all these points are the solution to the given linear equation. Graph plot कर लो. X, y, y dash, x dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 0. Now, x is minus 6, y is minus 2. X is minus 6 and y is minus 2. This is the point. Okay. Now, x is minus 3, y is 0. X is minus 3, y is 0. This is the point. X0 and y2, x0 and y2. X3 and y4. Right? Now, by joining these points, we get a straight line. This straight line represents the linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. I hope children you understood very well what is a linear equation, what does it mean, geometrical interpretation of a linear equation, the straight line and the solutions. So please go through the content that is given in your NCERT textbook, refer it, whatever we have discussed here, try to match it. In case you find any mismatch or in case you find anything that you are able to understand, feel free to come up with your doubts. See children, this chapter is really very crucial. You have this chapter in 9th, you will have this chapter in 10th. Even if you pursue mathematics in your higher classes, you will have linear equations, you will have straight lines and all these things. Now you are studying in 2 dimension, maybe you will be studying the same thing in 3 dimension also. So please, this is the fundamental, this is the basic of understanding what a linear equation is, what is the geometrical interpretation of linear equation and how to find a solution to it. Okay. So go through everything, come up with the doubts in case you have any. Okay.